Hello everyone, MSRNDA2007 here, and today is Wednesday, December 1st, 2021 at 6:58 p.m. Central Standard Time. And this will be the 7 p.m. required weekly test on WXK85.
A test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm tone feature is scheduled for 7 p.m. today. If your radio has a warning alarm tone and is set, it should be activated by the test. If your radio is not activated by the test, please call us at 405-325-3816 with your report. From the Norman Forecast Office, here is the forecast for Oklahoma City and surrounding area. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Light and variable winds. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds around 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. Friday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. East winds around 10 miles an hour. Saturday, partly cloudy. Cooler. Highs in the lower 60s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 60s. Sunday night, clear, colder. Lows in the mid-30s. Monday, mostly sunny. Cooler. Highs in the mid-50s. Monday night, mostly clear. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area. From the Norman Forecast
Okay.
Here is the forecast for Oklahoma
So,
City and surrounding area.
like normal, the WR400 activated.
Light and variable winds.
12.519 went off.
Highs in the upper 70s.
ER51 set to go off.
10 miles an hour.
CKW2000 went off.
Mostly clear. Lows in
The
lower 50s.
zone card did as well.
Around 10 miles an hour. Friday, partly
Both the WR300s went off.
in the upper 70s. South winds around 10 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper
I don't know why the Universe 5 WR100 didn't go off.
Saturday, partly cloudy.
So, yeah, 12 to 50 went off. Y'all actually probably heard this. So, yeah. Anyways, so, yeah, the first 7 p.m. required weekly test of December. So, yeah. Anyways, as always, thank you for watching, and be sure to have yourself a nice day.